go check the mail today. Friggin' gun store trying to sell me crap again. Ah, here we go. Here's what. Alright, Bill. Oh, Happy Room Academy. Friggin' 50 points! I spent hours in that room. I left for my girlfriend. Sorry I moved away. Sorry I didn't warn you. Sorry you didn't warn me! We've been through so much together. Hey guys.
What's up?
Nothing. My girlfriend just broke up with me. We got friggin' 50 points on the Happy Room Academy. You guys can't be playing video games all day.
What? I heard Tom has some freaking good furniture.
Really?
Yeah. Damn, I want a fishing rod.
You know what? I heard you have a fishing rod too, and I want that fishing rod.
I want it. No, I want it.
You know what? I'll fight you guys for that fishing rod. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. What do you want? Stop, stop, stop. This fishing rod's tearing us apart. Let's go play with something we already have.